Yeah, the fourth one. Fifth, fourth, and eighth. I
Okay,
didn't
no
get
problem.
that.
We will discuss all the answers, don't worry. Okay. So I'm just giving 2 minutes in case if anyone who is not done, they can complete it. Okay. Till then, the ones you have not done, you can try it at least.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, everybody is done. Should we discuss the answers? Or anyone who is still doing?
Ma'am, can we wait for 1 minute?
Yes,
Like,
yes.
I'm in the last one, actually.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I'm done.
Let's just discuss it. The first one is subtraction of z from y. So what will be the equation?
Y minus Z.
Y minus Z.
Yes. Everybody got the same? Y minus z?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So y minus z. Now for the next one. 1/2 of the sum of number x and y. So 1/2 of the sum of number x and y. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, everybody?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got something different.
See, 1/2 means half, right? Of
I got that correct, but the
and
x
after
plus
that,
y,
you
I
Oh,
can
did
solve it like
x
this
is
as
equal to
well.
y.
No, no, no. It would be sum of x and y and half.
ma'am,
Yes.
as it is off, so it's like multiplication, right?
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
When you multiply it, x plus y with 1, it became x plus y and half comes there as a denominator. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming to the next one. The number of z multiplied by itself. Very easy, right?
Then,
Yes,
Yes,
z
ma'am.
multiplied by z.
Is
Fine.
it?
yeah.
Now coming to the next one. 1/4 of the product of number p and q. Same. Instead of half, you will write 1/4 of p of number p and q. P and
Ma'am, I didn't.
Ma'am, we got multiplication right, but addition wrong. I don't know what is
here
happening.
you don't have to do addition. You have to multiply p and q.
Ma'am,
Na?
I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Yes.
The addition one
Ma'am,
I
I
got
forgot
wrong.
to
Not
keep the.
You forgot what?
Ma'am, I forgot to keep the brackets. Like, but we can also write PQ
Yes,
in a
you can write
bracket.
PQ and 4 like this as well. Not a problem.
Ma'am, but like, I missed the brackets. I didn't write the brackets.
See, if you are writing it like this, 1/4 multiply. Here you can put it either put multiplication or put bracket. You can write it
Okay,
like
ma'am.
this as well, PQ, right? Or 1/4 PQ. Fine.
Now, what happens if we did not add the bracket?
If you didn't add, then what? I don't know what is the sum. What is the sum between 1/4? I can put any. I can put addition, subtraction, anything, right?
Okay.
yes, ma'am. And the next one I didn't get that. Like the fifth
The
one.
x
Ma'am, is it
and
like
y
x
both
squared
squared
plus
and
y
added.
squared?
Right? So over here, x square plus y square. You have to
Yes, ma'am.
square both. Yes. And then add them.
No, like I thought something else when the squared come into the mind in my mind. I didn't understand that we have to do like that. I thought squared was something different.
No, no.
Ma'am, did you say anything?
Okay. Now coming to the next one. Number 5 added to 3 times of product of m and n.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
is it
3
like 5
plus
plus
5.
3mn?
Number 5 added
Ma'am, I
to.
did 3 mn plus 12.
Yes. 3mn plus 5 because 5 is being added to this. Getting it? Number 5 added 2. Right?
Okay.
Next product of number y and z subtract from. So 10 minus yz.
10 minus
Y
y
is
and z.
yes, ma'am.
Sum of number a and b subtract from their product. So ab minus
Minus
a
a
plus
plus
b.
b.
Yes.
I didn't add the bracket, ma'am.
Ma'am, I didn't get it. The last one. Can you
See,
explain it again?
sum of number ab. Sum of number means a plus b. Then put in the bracket. Subtracted from their product. Their product is a multiplied by b. You will subtract it. Yes? Fine?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Fine.
Okay, now quickly do the second one. First part, second part. Right, I'll scroll it after that. I think you can see. Yes, quickly do it.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, for the factor, if a variable is in square, we have to split it up and write it, right?
Yes, 2 times.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
None, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, done. Everybody is done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I think Abdullah ma'am is not done.
Abdullah is not here today.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Ma'am, we can start.
So over here you have to identify the terms and their factor.
Yes. Ma'am, we have to, in the second
Ma'am?
one, we also have to draw the tree diagrams, right?
Yeah, you can write your choice. Because with the
Ma'am, I
Okay,
don't
ma'am.
really
what happened
remember the tree diagram. So I did it normally. Is that okay?
now? Yeah, no problem. Yeah, no problem. No. They have mentioned it by tree diagram. If they mention it, you have to draw it. In the
This is
Ma'am,
the
can you just
first
first one,
show
the
one,
the
they are
second
not
one.
asking, so you can second one do it normally. But if they
no,
ask,
ma'am, can you show the tree diagram once?
yes. And so over here, for example, x minus 3, right? So you will write it like this, x minus 3. Then what you are going to do? You are going to divide it into two parts,
Yes.
x and, sorry,
What were you explaining? Can you explain again?
no, tree diagram I'm explaining, right?
Okay.
So over here, coming to factors when you have to do, it is x and 1, and over here it's minus 3 and 1. Fine,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Okay, don't do minus 3, do 3 and negative 1. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is how you have to do the tree diagram. For the second one, okay, I'm going to draw the tree diagram for all of it. Okay, so first I have drawn. Any problem in first? No?
No, ma'am.
Okay, coming to second one. 1 plus, tell me 1 plus x plus. Second question. X square.
Ma'am, 1 plus x square, yeah.
So over here it will be in 3 parts, right? 1, x and x square. These are the terms, right? Now this
Ma'am,
over
X
here, 1
square will
multiplied by,
also be there, right? Square
sorry?
square will also be there, right?
Yeah.
In the term.
Yes, sorry. Fine. Done. Second one. Everybody.
And why X, like we have to write 2, right?
Where?
In the factors.
In the factor, you will divide it into 2 parts. Na? X multiplied by x will give you x square. Na? Factors means you have to
Oh,
further divide it. Right? Now, I hope everybody got the second one. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Third
ma'am,
one.
can you explain again?
Wait. Second one. See, 1, x and x square. So, these are the terms. Okay. Okay, just student, just give me 1 minute. Okay, students, I just need 2 minutes. Actually, somebody has the door for the delivery. I just need to go down. You people can try it on your own. I have explained the first one in case you have not done the tree method. I'm just coming in 2 minutes. Fine.
Okay, ma'am, fine.
I have a doubt. Did you guys do the G and H question also
I did it.
in the
I
second
don't
one?
know what went on. But I think
What?
it was with it.
Um, did you do the G and H question?
No, I didn't.
Oh,
I did it because it's F, G, and H now. Then why it will randomly give G and H?
oh yeah. Like it was down in like it was in the next page. So yeah.
I can tell you guys a question.
Yeah, please.
Okay. Just wait a minute.
Sure.
Yeah, so should I tell right now?
Yeah.
Should I say?
Vaika, if Vaika's there, you can say it because she
Yeah,
asked.
yeah.
Yeah, I guess you can
Okay,
say it.
so the first question is 3 by 4 into 1 by 4. Sorry. 3 by 4 x plus 1 by 4.
3 by 4.
Okay, I'm back.
X plus 4.
I'm back. Okay. Thank you for the patience. Okay. Let's just come back. Okay. So where were we? We were doing the third one, right? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Y minus y cube. Okay. So I'm just citing the factors. It will be y and 1. And this one would be y, and y. Yes? Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, sorry. It's minus. So it will be minus 1 as well. Fine?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the first one, we didn't write minus 3y.
Where?
Like for the factors in the first question.
We wrote na 3 and minus y. Minus 1.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. So this is what? Now let's just
Yes,
move to
ma'am.
the next one. Tell me the next question.
So, ma'am, 5xy square
5x y square.
plus 7x square
Hmm.
y.
Why?
Y. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
over here, 5, right? X, y, and 2 times y. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And over here,
Yes, ma'am.
next one, 7, x,
X.
and y. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are directly doing the factors.
Yes, directly doing it. Because terms are already written, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, let's just move to
But
the
ma'am, I
next one.
still did the terms.
Sorry?
I still did the terms.
Terms, yeah, you have to do. I'm not doing it, but you people have to do the terms as well. Because terms, I'm already, terms are already mentioned over here. The term is first term is this, second term is this. That's why I'm not writing it. Okay? This is term.
Okay, ma'am.
You have in the question, when you are solving it, you will write term and then the factors. Fine?
Ma'am, talking about terms, are we just gonna learn like terms or are we gonna learn like binomial, trinomial,
Yes.
polynomial?
Then we are going to discuss that as well.
Okay,
When they
ma'am.
ask you to write names, right? If there are 2 terms, binomial, monomial, single term, 3 terms,
Yes.
trinomial, that we will discuss. Okay?
Okay.
But in case of terms, we will only do this. Okay, in case they
Okay.
ask you the name, then okay.
Okay.
Okay, now coming to next one. Okay.
Minus AB
Wait. I just need space. Minus AB.
plus 2B square
Hmm.
minus 3A square.
3A square. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So over here, minus 1, A and B. Here, 2, B and one more B. Here, minus 1, 3, A and A. Yes? Everybody?
Yes.
Vega, you
Yes.
are also getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, next question. Tell me, Vega. Tell me the question only. Okay, it was the second question. And this was the last question, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
This is the last question.
Okay. So over here also, the next one is minus 4x plus 5.
Minus 4x plus 5. Yes,
So over
ma'am.
here, the terms are minus 4x and 5. Factors are minus 4
X and
or you can
minus 5.
write, see, I'm giving you two choices. One, write it like this, minus 1 and 4, or write it minus 4. Okay, no problem in that. Fine?
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, for
When you do tree
factors,
diagram,
right?
follow that. Yeah, factors. When you
Okay.
just simply write it down without the tree diagram, write minus 4 only. Fine?
Ma'am, like in every question, we have a choice to just write minus 4 or no,
Yeah,
we
I'm
have
telling
to
you,
write.
when you are doing tree diagram, na, there you can write it like this. But when you are in the second question, you don't have to make tree diagram. So over there, you can simply write minus 4. Right?
Yes, yeah.
So in this, how many factors? Minus 4, x and 5. For the B1, minus 4x and 5y were the two terms. Minus 4, x, 5 and y are the factors. Next one, term will be 5y and 3y square. Factors would be 5 and y, 3y. Right? I hope everybody did it,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
B1,
Yes, ma'am.
xy and 2x square, y square were the terms. Factors xy, 2xx, y were the factors. Next, PQ and Q were the terms. Then P, Q and another Q were the factors. Then 1 upon 2 AB, 1.2 AB minus 2.4 B and 3.6 A were the terms. Coming to factors, 1.2, then A, then B, then minus 2.4, then B, then 3.6, then A. These are the factors. Then next one, 3 upon 4x and 1 upon 4 were the terms.
Ma'am, we didn't do G and H.
We didn't, okay, you people didn't it.
Ma'am, I
No.
did the G and H.
Okay, so those who have not done, quickly do it, then we will move. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
We also have to do the third one.
No need to do it. I'll tell you. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I'm done.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, we're done.
So over here, 3 upon 4x and 1 upon 4 are the terms. 3 upon 4, then x, then 1 upon 4 are the factors. Next one, 0.1 p square and 0.2 q square are the terms.
Ma'am, sorry. Can you repeat the first factors?
Which one? G1?
Yeah.
3 upon 4, then x, then 1 upon 4. These three are the factors.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, 0.1 p square plus 0.2 q square are the terms. Then 0.1, then p multiplied by p and p, then 0.2 q and q are the terms. Oh, sorry, factor.
Ma'am, we don't need to like divide zero different and
No,
one
no
different.
need
We
to
have
do
to
that.
make them together, ma'am.
Okay. Now do the third one and the fourth one quickly. Okay. Then we will move to the that part where I will teach you the mononomials and all that.
Ma'am, if you don't mind, can you show one of them? Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes.
Do you mind if can you show one?
Okay, one.
Like if you mind.
Identify the
Yeah.
numerical coefficient of the terms other than the constant. So over here, numerical coefficient you have to find. So numerical coefficient means what? The number one? Yes. So over here in this, numerical coefficient would be this, -3. Right? You don't have to go for constant. Right? You cannot write 5 as a coefficient. Right? Only the one which are with the variable. 5.
Okay. So the fourth one we should write the both.
Yeah, both.
Now, first, should we mention the terms, then write the numerical coefficients?
Yes, that will be easy for you, na? So that I can also get to know from for which term you are writing the coefficient.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we also have to do the fourth one.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, you have to do the fourth one as well.
Ma'am, done.
Done, ma'am.
Mom, I didn't get the fourth question. Excuse me, Mom.
Yes, yes.
I did not understand the fourth question.
Fourth, identify the term which contains x and give the coefficient of x. First, you have to write the terms, only that term which has x. Okay.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
after that, you have to find the coefficient of that term.
Oh,
Fine.
okay, ma'am.
You don't have to find the numerical coefficient. It can be any numerical as well as the variable coefficient. Fine.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm done.
Okay, so let's just discuss the answers. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
For the third one, okay? Tell me the answers. Okay, the coefficient, I'm just telling the coefficient, you can just correct it up, right? For the first one, the coefficient is -3. The term is going to be minus 3t squared, so the coefficient is -3. Fine with
Yes, ma'am.
everybody? I just need 3s, okay? Second one, the terms are t square and t cube, right? So all the coefficient would be 1 only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Third
Yes,
one,
ma'am.
the terms are x, 2xy and 3y. The coefficient for x would be 1, the coefficient for 2xy would be 2, and the coefficient for 3y would be 3. Yes?
Yes.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
I wrote 2 and 3, but I did not wrote 1.
1 is there. Okay? Now coming to the next one. Next one. You will tell me next one. Who will tell me? Tell me.
Ma'am, the terms are 100m and 1000n. The coefficients are 100 and 1000.
Good.
Yes.
Next one. Tell me.
Like for the next one, the terms are like minus p square q square and like 7 pq. So for minus p square q square, it's -1, and for 7 pq, it's 7.
Good. Next.
Ma'am, the term is 1.2a and 0.8b, and the coefficient is 1.2 and 0.8.
Next. Next.
Ma'am, host,
Ma'am, the term is 3.14. Ma'am, the term is 3.14 r square. And then the coefficient will be 3.14.
Yes.
Correct. Okay. Now the
Okay.
next one.
Like
Next question.
two.
Oh yes. Sorry. No. Two more are there.
Yeah, ma'am. The term is 2L and 2B. For 2L, coefficient is 2, and for 2B, the coefficient is 2.
Good. Everybody.
can you
Ma'am, I
repeat
only got
that?
a single 2.
Should I say?
Yes.
The term is 0.1y and 0.01 y2, and the coefficient is 0.1 and 0.01.
Correct. Okay. Now moving to the next part, like the next question, fourth one. Tell me.
Ma'am, y square. Should I just say the terms and coefficients? Okay, ma'am, the terms are y square x, and the coefficient would be 1.
Y square, right?
Ma'am, the coefficient can also be 1, right?
No, why no 1? In this,
Ma'am, because they didn't really
y square
mention.
x, right? I told you coefficient always comes in front of it.
This is for x, right, ma'am? Sorry, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, it
It's
is y
for
square.
x, no? That's why you are not
ma'am,
the
it
y.
is
They
for
have only asked for x. In case if they have asked for y, then yes, 1 you can write. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, it's y square.
Second one.
Ma'am, can I see the next one?
Yes.
Okay, like the term is -8yx and coefficient is -8y.
Good. Next, Sindhu's.
Ma'am, the term is x and y and 2, and the coefficient is 1.
Next.
Ma'am, the term is z square, and then the coefficient would be z.
Oh. Next. Next.
Ma'am, can you just repeat that answer again?
Which one you told, Chakrika?
Yes, ma'am. The term is zx.
You are doing third one or which one?
Fourth
Fourth
one, ma'am.
na?
Fourth one, right?
Tell me.
Fourth D1, the
Hmm.
term is zx, and the
And why
coefficient
not
is
x?
z.
Why not x? Wait a minute. Let me read the question. Where is fourth? This one you are doing, na? This, zx, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And the coefficient will be z.
Z.
Okay, ma'am. For the next one, the term is x, x and xy. So for the x, the coefficient is 1, and for the xy, the coefficient is y.
Correct. Next.
Ma'am, the term is 12xy square and 25, and the coefficient is 12y square. I got.
Next.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, is that correct?
Yes, correct.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
What, Sindhu, can you please repeat the coefficient?
I got 12xy. I mean 12y square.
Yes, correct.
Correct,
Ma'am, I have a
ma'am.
doubt.
Hmm.
Ma'am, they asked to identify the terms which contain x and give the coefficient of x, right? But in the a question which Sandhya said, 25 doesn't have x, right? So
She only said 12xy square, right? The term.
no, ma'am, she also said 25.
Okay,
I
so you
think
said 25 as well because the coefficient you only told.
Yes.
No, why you, no, 25 won't be there, right?
It's not a term.
No, it's not a term because they ask you for the term
I'm sorry,
which has
ma'am.
x. Okay, so this is,
I
and
didn't read the question
it will be
properly.
12y square. Fine? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Next, no problem. Next. Next.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the term is 7x and xy square. The coefficient would be 7 and 1.
7 and 1. Why not y
I mean,
square?
7 and x.
No. 7 and
7 and x, right, ma'am?
x coefficient. How can x be the coefficient? 7x.
And ma'am, like it should be x.
It would be y square,
It
na
should be y
coefficient.
square, right?
Ma'am, but the coefficient, shouldn't it be like the beginning?
In the beginning, but see, can I write x y square like this? Y square x. Both are the same thing. Yes or no?
Ma'am, but if it's right like y x square, so that is not the same, right, ma'am?
No, this is not the code. You will not consider it. This is not a term. This is a x square, na? Coefficient of x square, not a coefficient of x. Right? Fine?